Namaste all of you. I JVN Amit Kumar Sharma. Today we are going to discussions the topic of decision making, teaching in English language. Then like as a example rationalizations at first. A person's might account for a bad mood or general rude behavior by explaining that bad traffic that affected the morning commuting. For example, someone who is passed over for promotion might rationalize the disappointment by calming to have wanted so much responsibility. Then second, ethically decision making. State the problem, check the facts, identify relevant factor, internal और external दोनों, develop a list of options, test the options, make a choice based on step, review step, ये आपको लेने हैं. देन टीच एथिकली डिसीजन मेकिंग. रेशनल डिसीजन मेकिंग is a multi-step process for making choices between alternatives. The process of rational decision making favors logic, objectivity and analysis over subjectivity and insight. The word rational in this context does not mean sane or clear headed as it does in the conical sense. रिपीट अगेन, वापस से इसको रिपीट कर रहा हूँ कि डिसीजन मेकिंग एक प्रोसीजर है क्या. रेशनल डिसीजन मेकिंग इज़ ए मल्टी स्टेप प्रोसेस फॉर मेकिंग चॉइस बिटवीन alternatives. The process of rational decision making favors logics, objectivity and analysis over subjectivity and insight. The word rational in this context does not mean sane or clear headed as it does in the colloquial sense. इसके और भी कोई क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं. कौन से बन सकते हैं कि मीन ऑफ रेशनलाइज योर फीलिंग, रिकॉग्नाइज rationalizations we use, why do we use rationalizations. ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन आपसे वो पूछ सकता है. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.